going to talk about how to switch a background. Alright, for this version we're going to switch out a green screen background of an image. So what we're going to do now is we're going to start off with this image with a green screen background, which is the top layer, and then over to the right we click the eyeball icon, and under it is going to be a background of an office. It's going to be under that layer. So that's going to be the background that we're going to replace the green screen background with. So we're going to go back to the top layer with the image of a man and the green screen background. And we're going to go over, click on this image, the top layer image, go over to your magic wand tool, click the quick selection tool, click the selection tool right here at the top, wait for a moment. It's going to select the person. Then down here next to the FX button, we're going to click on it, and then it's going to replace the green screen background with the other image under the office. Now we're going to click the man right here. We're going to move him around, fit him where he needs to be in front of the office table. Then there you go. We just replaced the background. So now we have the office background instead of the green screen background. So that is how you replace the green screen image. So thank you for tuning in.